Good morning, dear children. This is your computer teacher, Amrita Banerjee. Children, we were discussing the features of chapter number 3, isn't it? The chapter number 3, which we have, that was Advanced Writer Features. Okay, so for chapter number 3, we were discussing the different features. Now, few additional features I will be discussing in this video, children. Few additional features. Okay, so which you all even asked me during the live lecture to be explained one more time. So children, in this video, I will be discussing few additional features which are not there in your syllabus, but it will help you if you will learn about those. So let us discuss. Okay, so children, first of all, I will be adding an image. Okay, so how I am supposed to add the image, you just check. I am minimizing it. Okay, and here I have one image, so I will just select this. I will right click, I will copy this, I will get back to my Word document, and I will click here and I will click on paste option. So children, see the image have got placed over here in my document. Okay, now children, I will have to go to this format option over here. I'm going to this format option, and here I'm selecting the option of wrap text. In that, I am selecting the option behind text. Okay, so once children I have done this behind text, now what will happen, I will be easily able to move the picture anywhere, as in you can see. And now children, even I will be able to write over this picture. Okay, so I will just bring my cursor over here in this space where it would be easily visible. So children, I'll just show you something over here. Children, now I am going to this home tab. Over here children, I am going to select some effect. Suppose I am selecting this effect, and now I will be typing something. Suppose I am typing Amrita. So you can see children, I am able to write over the image. Okay, many times it happens that we are creating some document in which it is required to be written over the image. So this way you can write, children. Now see, my text is already selected, and now I'm going to that effects option once again. Now I'm going to give some glow effect to my text. So see, now I can even give some glow effect to the text which I have written over the picture. Now children, I will select this option once again. Okay, and now I may change the color of the text. You can see as I am selecting different colors, it is getting changed. Okay, then children, I may give some reflection effects to it. Okay, so anything I can do, and it will enhance my document or anything if I am going to prepare. Now children, I have one more option over here that I will be discussing, which is not there as in your chapter. That is children, in the design insert tab, we have an option of word art. So children, when you are selecting this word art, even then also children, you may get some text sort of, and that text children, you can have some special effects, like I am writing my name Amrita Banerjee. Okay, so children, even from word art also you can effect. Even you will select, children, in this you may add some color to the text. Okay, you may add some sort of color to the text, you may add some special features to the text, you may add some glow effect to the text. Even all sort of things are allowed. So this word art option is also a very good option to enter any kind of, as in, beautifying text features. Okay, and this you can write even over your image also. Okay, and of course once you have written this, you may resize your image to any required size, whatever as per your convenient. So you can do all these things as in the Word, children. Okay, now children, in this I have one more option that I would like to discuss with you all. Children, in the design tab, you have an option of watermark. Okay. Now what is this watermark, children? Children, many times you would have seen that in few of the documents, some text is written in this way in very light, either in this form. I'll just show you the watermark option. See here, see this confidential is written in very light. That means if any text would be written over this, it will not make that text invisible or any kind of stuff. Or if you can write it in this diagonally, you can write it in straight or anything. So children, even you can add watermark to the document which you are preparing in Word. Okay, so suppose children, I am using this option. Now over here I will have to customize it. Okay, suppose children, I need to select this